Amazon Rainforest. The Amazon Rainforest is primarily located in South America, spanning across 9 countries. Brazil holds the largest portion of the Amazon, and the forest primarily follows the Amazon River basin, which stretches across this vast region. About 60% of the Amazon rainforest is located here. The Amazon rainforest also extends into Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana, a French overseas region. Here are some fascinating facts about the Amazon rainforest. Largest rainforest on Earth. The Amazon is the world's largest rainforest, covering approximately 5.5 million square kilometers, which is about the size of the continental United States. Produces 20% of Earth's freshwater. The Amazon River, the largest river by volume in the world, discharges around 20% of Earth's fresh water into the Atlantic Ocean. Home to 400 billion trees, the Amazon rainforest contains about 400 billion individual trees, belonging to around 16,000 different species. Incredible biodiversity. It hosts about 10% of all known species on Earth, including over 2.5 million insect species, 40,000 plant species, 1,300 bird species, and 430 mammals. Home to uncontacted tribes. The Amazon is home to numerous indigenous tribes, including some that remain uncontacted by the outside world. These tribes maintain traditional ways of life that have been passed down for centuries. Amazon's role in climate regulation. The rainforest generates its own weather by releasing moisture into the atmosphere, which helps drive the water cycle and influence global weather patterns. Trees communicate. Trees in the Amazon can communicate with each other via underground fungal networks. This allows them to share nutrients and even warn nearby trees about insect infestations. Undiscovered species. Scientists estimate that thousands of species in the Amazon rainforest are yet to be discovered, and new species are found regularly. Carbon storage. The Amazon rainforest holds between 90 and 140 billion metric tons of carbon. Its deforestation would significantly accelerate climate change by releasing massive amounts of carbon into the atmosphere. Flying rivers. The Amazon produces flying rivers, which are vast volumes of water vapor that are carried by wind currents across South America. This phenomenon helps provide rainfall far beyond the forest itself. These unique characteristics make the Amazon not only an environmental treasure but also a vital component of Earth's ecological systems. The Amazon rainforest is crucial to Earth's ecological balance for several reasons. Biodiversity. It is home to around 10% of the world's known species, making it one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on the planet. This biodiversity supports global ecological health and resilience. Carbon sequestration. The Amazon acts as a massive carbon sink, absorbing vast amounts of CO2 from the atmosphere. This helps mitigate the effects of climate change by reducing greenhouse gases. Oxygen production, often called the lungs of the earth. The Amazon produces about 20% of the world's oxygen through photosynthesis, although much of this oxygen is consumed by the forest itself. Its trees release water vapor, which contributes to cloud formation and rainfall patterns, not only in South America but also globally. Water cycle. The Amazon is a key component of the global water cycle, recycling vast quantities of water into the atmosphere through a process called transpiration. Climate regulation. The Amazon plays a significant role in regulating global and regional climates. Indigenous communities. The Amazon supports millions of indigenous people who rely on the forest for their livelihoods, culture, and traditions. Its preservation is vital for their survival. Medicinal resources. The rainforest is a rich source of medicinal plants, many of which are used in modern medicine. It is also a valuable source for potential future discoveries. This impacts weather patterns and water availability across South America and beyond. The Amazon rainforest is an irreplaceable natural wonder critical to the health of the planet. It plays a vital role in regulating the global climate, stores vast amounts of carbon, and producing oxygen. Its incredible biodiversity supports millions of species, many of which are still undiscovered, and it is home to numerous indigenous communities. The Amazon contributes significantly to the Earth's water cycle. Protecting the Amazon is essential for maintaining ecological balance and mitigating impacts of climate change.